Some of the advantages and the beauty of using volume profile is knowing the logical levels of the market. How often we look at a a specific instrument, and since we are really focused on trading, we come in and we take trades without knowing. There's nothing, no trades, nothing going on here. Why would you trade something that doesn't make any sense just because you have 2 hours free you have to trade? Or there's no need. If the market doesn't make sense, it doesn't make sense. Avoiding bad trades is as good or even better than getting into a stop loss or loss. Just avoiding it, it's even better than just losing, because that's not only gonna drain your account, but mentally it will exhaust you, emotionally, right? So if, but for example, this move here, obviously it's sideways and it's pushing down lower. But once you put your volume profile against it, and with a little bit of understanding, you will have better idea. At least you have a logical level that the market bounced from here. So now all of a sudden, from looking at a short, maybe now you're thinking, no, there's support. This support has to be to break before I look for another short, because this was a prominent support, for example, right? So once you have your volume profile, again, volume profile is key to understanding the movement. Here's here is let's look at something else, the YM. Let's look at, for example, or this is the Dow. Let's look at the daily Dow and understand it. Market's going up. All of a sudden, what else to do? You look at the daily, and you don't have a volume profile, but then once you have volume profile, you realize there's a level here, right? That if it breaks, this is a do or die level. So you switch it to a smaller chart. This will print on a smaller chart for sure. So once it prints on the smaller chart here, you understand that below this level you might have a more down. So, but if you don't have this volume profile, let's say you don't have this volume profile, nothing, right? You will automatically sit there and say, you know what, this is confusing. What to do? First of all, it's high up above this high up above this high. So both highs have gone, but I need to trade. This high is gone, this high is gone, and even from here to here, if you draw your Fibonacci, this is beyond the 78% retracement, which is the last point of defense. What do I do? It's a bullish move. You don't know, but once you start looking deeper and deeper, let's say looking at something like the daily, and you see it, you understand, what, the volume profile is telling me there's still chance for it to come back lower. Yes, the market is hesitant now. The idea behind this is that when the market is hesitant, when there's nothing to trade, when you're not comfortable, leave it alone. If you don't see it, don't trade it. That's the idea.